Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I know it's been a while I haven't posted. It's been crazy couple of weeks, so I do apologize, but we are back. And in today's video, I'm gonna be trying out a new brand. If anybody has heard of Becky G, she's amazing, absolutely love her. But if anyone didn't know, she does have a makeup line that I've always have wanted to try, but never actually had any products in my possession to try out. So I thought I would film this. I did film a TikTok before making this video, but I wanted to also make a YouTube video about this because it's so exciting. So the products I'm going to be trying out today are going to be her TRESLUCE Beauty, I believe it is called the Empower Me Matte Lipstick in the shade Dark Cafecito. And I also have her liner, which is Draw the Linea dual-sided lip liner in the shade Dark Cafecito. So this one is the liner. I will also swatch them for you so you can see what they look like. It has a dark side and a lighter side. So what I will do for you, I'll try the darker side for you guys since I did do the lighter side for the TikTok. And I'm gonna just show you what each side looks like. And that is the swatch of each. One seems to be more on the pinkier side. The other one seems to be a little bit more on that red side. But what I can say, they are pretty pigmented and you don't have to do a lot of effort to get a lot of the color out. So next is the lipstick, which looks like this in a nice royal blue packaging. Honestly, what I will say, first off, the packaging feels very, very high quality, especially for not being that much. They, you can get them at Ulta. I don't know if any of you guys knew that, but they are sold in Ulta. I also know she also does have a website of her own. So this is what the color looks like. It's like a nice like a nice almost reddish brown. It looks like pinkish brown, I should say. And that is the swatch next to the line. I am ready to try this on. So we're gonna first go in with the dark side of the lip liner. And what was deceiving is that it shows here the two colors, but they're literally opposite from each other. So this lighter shade is actually this side and this darker shade is actually this side. I thought I would just mention that. It fooled me when I was filming my TikTok, so I thought I would mention that. So we're gonna go in with the darker side and line out the lips. Okay, alrighty, so now we're gonna go in with the lipstick. And now this is with the lipstick on. I honestly love the color. It was like, so when I was swatching it in the store, it looked completely different on my hands. Like, I don't know what did I think it was gonna look like, but I'm not mad at it. It's honestly a different type of tone that I typically go for. And this is honestly a new look for me. The only reason why I say that is because typically with my liners, I like to go for something that's a little bit darker with the lip liner and then lighter with the lipstick. But with this, it's all looking like one. So I guess I don't know why that's like new for me. Like my go-to is a darker, like brownish lip liner with like a pinkier lipstick. But honestly, I'm here for it, and it feels super comfortable for a matte lipstick. Like, my lips do not feel drying or anything like that, but I am biased towards matte lipsticks because I love that type of formula with my personal lipsticks. So I will say these have passed the test, at least for me. If you do not like a matte lipstick, you probably might not like these, but I will say they are extremely comfortable. Based off of what they say, let's see. It is formulated with Mexican blue agave and hydrating mango butter, and this creamy matte lipstick glides on smoothly, or glides on smooth, can't read, delivering the most comfortable wear, which honestly, it did glide on pretty nice. It gave me a lot of pigment right off of one swipe, and it does feel super comfortable. Like, this does not feel drying whatsoever. Sorry if I keep on repeating myself, but it does not. Yeah, so this is the color. Again, this is the shade Dark Cafecito in the lip liner and in the lipstick. I give this a stamp of approval, at least for me. Let me know what you guys think. So I guess this wraps up today's video, and let me know what you guys think about it. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. It will mean the world to me, and also bring my video out there for everyone to see. And if you have any thoughts on the TRESLUCE beauty line, let me know. If there's any other products you would want me to try from that brand, let me know down in the comments. I may pick it up and do a video for you. Let me know down in the comments below if any of you guys have tried it before, and let me know what you think. I would love to hear other people's opinion on the brand because I don't hear much about it. So I think more people should talk about it, because based off of these two things, it seems pretty good. So let me know down in the comments below. And if you want to see more of videos like this, please consider subscribing to my channel and joining the community I have growing here. And with that being said, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.